Alright, in the second part of this I'm going to show you how I would create a polygon file, a vector polygon file that we're going to use to clip part of this image, the part that will isolate the plumes that we're interested in, the general area of the plume. But we want to be careful with it. I'll show you what I mean here in just a moment. We have a we do this when we do this through the catalog, and I'm going to open the catalog, and you can see in my catalog I have kind of a very busy catalog. You can access all of your folders here, and I'm going to put my shapefile in the folder that I have my imagery in. So I right click on that folder and create a new shapefile, and the shapefile I'm going to call clip, and it's going to be a polygon shapefile. And then I'm going to give this the same coordinate system that we're using with our imagery here, which as it happens is a UTM coordinate system. It's a UTM WGS 1984 in the northern hemisphere. Yeah, I have to navigate down through this, and it's northern hemisphere UTM zone 54N. Okay, and I say OK. You can see it creates that and pops it right into the window. Now I'm going to close the catalog, and one of the things that I would do here would probably be to change the display properties of that polygon. And so in the symbology tab, I'm going to take this and make it, probably just make it hollow and make the outline, something kind of bright that I can see here. Maybe a red is good, and maybe make it a little bit wider. Okay, so I've done that, and I apply it. Okay, so that's what the polygon is going to look like, and I can start editing this. And you can see I have an editing toolbar open up here, and I'm going to start editing the features, and you get a little warning there, and I continue on that. And then in the editor toolbar, I want to open a create features window, and I'll select that layer, and you can see I get some tools down here when I do that. And I'll select the polygon tool, and I'm ready to go here. And I want to be real sure that I'm real close on this, because I want to be close to the coast. I don't want to get any land at all. I want to be as close to the coast as I can. And you have to be careful, because I want to avoid, you can see there's a stream right here that's dumping some cool water into the ocean. You can see a little bulb of cool water coming in. And then down here there's kind of a real hot plant or dock of some kind that I want to avoid. So I want to just focus on these two plumes, but get enough of the area so that we can isolate it. Okay, so I'm going to start clicking, and this is called a rubber band box, and I can make this fairly, it doesn't have to be real exact out here in the ocean, but up on the shore I want to avoid that plant, and then I want to get right up on the coastline, and just make that as close to the coast as I can without actually getting onto the land, without getting any of the plant there. So I'm gonna move up just a little bit. You see I'm hugging very close to the coast. And have a little fun with your digitizing skills here. Just right on the coast without getting it on land. So when I get to the last point that I want to put in, I double click and I'm done with that. Okay, and so then I can save the edits and stop editing. Okay, and there's the polygon that we're going to use to clip this area. Okay, so that's I'm happy with that, and I think I'm gonna go with it.